How to buy crypto in India, step-by-step 2025 guide. Want to buy crypto in India but don't know where to start? You're not alone. This is your complete 2025 guide, step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and India-specific. We'll cover everything you need to start legally and safely. Crypto assets are risky and can lose value. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed advisor where appropriate. Whether you're investing 500 rupees or 5 lakh rupees, this guide is designed to help you start with confidence. Crypto assets are unregulated in India and highly volatile. You could lose all the money you invest. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. What you're buying? Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's not printed or issued by the government. It runs on a global network called the blockchain. Coins like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL, are the most popular. Think of them as internet-native assets. Is crypto legal in India? Crypto is not banned in India, but it's not regulated either. You can buy, sell, and hold crypto. But you must follow income tax rules and use only Indian-compliant platforms. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has warned about crypto risks, but the government allows trading with proper KYC. Choose a trusted exchange. Use only Indian crypto exchanges registered with proper KYC procedures. Top trusted platforms in India include Bazix, CoinDCX, ZPay, BitPNS, CoinSwitch. These exchanges let you buy crypto using INR via UPI, bank transfer, or cards. Avoid random Telegram groups, WhatsApp brokers, or foreign peer-to-peer apps with no oversight. Set up your account. Go to the website or app of your chosen exchange. Let's use CoinDCX for this example. Sign up using your full name, email ID, Aadhaar and PAN card, mobile number. Complete upload documents and do face verification. Once approved, your account is ready. Fund your account. Most Indian exchanges allow funding through bank transfer, IMPS/NEFT, NetBanking, MobiKwik wallet. UPI is the most popular and often instant. There may be deposit limits for new users. Start small, even 500 rupees is enough to begin. Pick your first crypto. For beginners, stick to coins with a strong track record. Bitcoin, BTC, digital gold. Ethereum, ETH, smart contracts. Polygon, MATIC, Indian project, fast and cheap. Solana, SOL, rising fast. Avoid hype coins or celebrity tokens for now. Placing your first buy order. In your app, search for your chosen coin, like BTC. Click buy, enter the amount in INR, confirm your order. You've just bought crypto. It's that simple. Understanding wallets. Your crypto sits in your exchange wallet by default. This is fine for small amounts. For higher amounts or long-term holding, use a private wallet. Mobile apps like Trust Wallet. Desktop apps like Exodus. Hardware wallets like Ledger Nano X. You control the private key, which means you control the money. Always write down your recovery phrase and store it offline. Never share it. Withdraw to wallet, optional. To move your crypto to your wallet, copy your wallet's receive address. Paste it in your exchange's send option. Choose the amount and confirm. This gives you full control, ideal for long-term holders. Tax rules in India. In India, crypto profits are taxed at 30% flat, plus 1% TDS on every trade, over 10,000 rupees per month. Keep records of your buys, sells, and profits. Tools like Coinly India or Binox can help. File crypto profits under income from other sources while filing ITR. Safety tips. Always use 2FA and a strong password on your exchange and wallet. Never share OTPs, recovery phrases, or private keys. Not even with support staff. Be cautious of giveaway scams on Instagram/YouTube. Telegram pump groups. Guaranteed returns offers. Final tips before you invest. Learn first. Invest slowly. Don't chase price pumps. Use a small test amount before making larger deposits. Keep your funds diversified and secure. Crypto is exciting, but only if you protect yourself. Subscribe to Crypto Pulse for more simple, honest crypto education made just for India.